This dresser was a freebie on Facebook Marketplace. I really don't think I would have paid money for this one if I hadn't got it for free. I really, really don't like this type of finish on this old piece of furniture. It's quite common to see this too on furniture from that era. But the dresser was in solid condition. It was made up mostly of a wood veneer over particle board and some solid wood pieces as well. And everything worked the way it was supposed to. The drawers were a bit sticky, but that was easily fixed. There was really minimal damage. Its main problem was it was really ugly. This is a good piece to start if you have minimal refinishing experience, because it's really basically just take the old finish off and put a new finish on. No structural, things that you have to do to the dresser to get it working again. So stick around and see if I can take this ugly, ugly finish and transform it into something a bit more contemporary. Let me know what you think of the end result and if you would do anything differently. I'm always interested in knowing what other people would do. Enjoy. I've been asked why I don't use stripper on a lot of these older pieces. And I do use stripper sometime, but definitely when I'm working out of my basement, I will choose to scrape rather than use stripper just because it's so stinky and I am working in a very enclosed space. In the summer months when I work out in my garage, I'm more apt to use stripper on pieces just because I can open the garage doors and the smell's not so bad. If you're using Odie's as a top coat, make sure you buff all the residue so when your finger runs across the surface, there are no marks left. I'm notorious for applying it too heavy and leaving it on for too long before I buff it out, which makes it much harder to do. My advice is if you're going to use Odie's, apply it very sparingly and then buff it out within an hour of applying it, and then you should have no problem. Okay, after a lot of scraping and sanding, the original finish is finally gone. I think it's definitely better than before, but do I love it? I don't know. But, life is choices, and this is the one I went with. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more of this type of content, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you next time. Bye.